Hi, how are you today? Like literally, how are you? Have you been outside today and reconnected with nature? Because no matter your mood, there's always beauty to be found somewhere. Birds singing, there's lambs in the field. I think they've just run off now. There's a few just there. They've run off down the bottom. I've just come out with the children and they were running down a hill. Just the natural beauty of a hill and then running down. They find it fun. So there's no need for much in life really, other than that. Don't really know what I'm saying. Don't know the point of this video. Just recording and feeling the freedom that I can just record now. And that I'm not bothered what I look like or what anybody thinks. Just listening in my eyes. Just listening. And just being. So yeah. Back and forth. A random video. See you again soon.